this unit, we have to remember that all the energy that the cells in our bodies use come from the foods we eat. And so today, in honor of our upcoming holiday, I brought a pumpkin to symbolize the general energy source. So, could you stand up and just hold this for a second? I had to lug this all the way across campus. That's how much do you think that weighs? About 5 pounds, exactly. So it's about 5 pounds. What type of molecule do you think makes up most of the weight of this pumpkin based on what we learned in the last 3 lectures? Water, very good. Okay, now, if I take all of the water out of this pumpkin, and I'm left with no water, we have macromolecules left. Which of the 4 major macromolecules that we talked about do you think makes up most of the dry weight of the pumpkin? Okay, so that's a type of this molecule. What's the general category? Carbohydrates, very good. So carbohydrates are the macromolecule that makes up most of the, or much of the rest of the mass of this pumpkin. What about other macromolecules? Are any of those present in the pumpkin? Do we have proteins in the pumpkin? How many people think we have proteins?